feeling right now? I'm feeling. La 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 la. Yasha, Yasha, Yasha. La 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 la. I feel like a fool. We're watching basketball.
Number 5 to number 8. Number 8, layup. Wala. Rebound. Number 8, wala. Bola or layup. 15 seconds remaining. Rebound number 17.
Alright, alright. Talaga. GG. GG na, GG na. Kaya pa yan.
Papasok na si Foggy, Foggy, Foggy. Magdadagi na si Foggy, Foggy, Foggy.
At baka matanangin niyo ang tunay na kaya. Phantom, Phantom. What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog!
This is Mikan and I'm Denise. And
They know that already.
punta kami office warehouse kasi pangbili sa PDB book.
We're gonna make balls.
Balls. Sige nga, practice.
I love this store so much.
Lakad muna tayo. Wag muna.
Hindi nga. Uy, promise. Wait lang.
O yan. Na-distract ulit siya. Uy! Si Hans and si Yesha is nasa Mapua. Nag-date sila kasi iniwan kami. Pumasok ang demonyo mo eh. Sorry. Love you naman. Gusto mo kiss? National.
Back to National Bookstore. Because we're gonna make an alternative for our planet.
Our planet. Nag-date sila kasi iniwan kami. Here.
I don't think so.